Now, the A10s have been a solid budget option for many gamers out there over the past few years, but at the same time, the competition has brought some serious heat around this price point, if not just a little bit more. So what I wanted to do for you guys in today's episode is cover the new 2nd gen version of this headset that I've been using for the past few weeks and give you guys my honest take on it. There's a ton of competition at this price point and a ton of headsets to choose from, so I wanted to stack these up for you guys to see how they compare so you guys don't make the wrong decision when picking up your next gaming headset, especially if you're on a budget. Now, Astro kept that same $60 price tag while giving us a brand new design. Its new build has an all-plastic frame while cloning a few looks from the A40 and A50s. Its ear cups are now a two-piece formation with rounded plastic rings that hold them in place. The back of the ear cups integrate nicely with vertical arms that attach to the headband for a nice solid foundation. Now, just like the A40 and A50, the frame slides up and down for a much better fit while evenly distributing weight throughout the headset to help reduce pressure and keep that weight balanced. Thanks to this new look, the A10s feel a lot more comfortable than that previous model. The ear cups are wrapped in a nice soft, breathable fabric with memory foam that matches that material on the headband itself. Its boom mic is stationed on the left ear cup and features a nice flexible rubber arm along with the 3.5mm port on the bottom. Now, the port is met with a detachable 6.5-foot cable which features a remote with volume wheel. Now, for someone who's just starting out with streaming and gaming, a budget gaming headset can only get you guys so far. And we'll cover the strengths and the weaknesses of the A10s here in a second. Now, something I wish I would have had when I was a lot younger, and something you will definitely need, I feel like is just as important, if not more important than a budget gaming headset when starting out, is a one-stop shop for all of your graphics needs. Something that will cover your graphics titles, animations, camera overlays, something you guys can fully customize while on a budget to make it look like the big boys. And Own.TV's got you guys covered. Own.TV is who I've used in the past and has been my go-to for everything when it comes to graphics and templates such as animated screens, badges, Stream Deck icons, and overlays to keep your videos looking crisp while going live or recording your videos. Best of all, I've got you guys covered with a 50% off coupon if you use my coupon code and link down below in the description. So make sure you guys check that out once this video is over, and thank you to Own.TV for sponsoring this segment of today's episode. Now, in the box along with the headset, you also get a 3.5mm adapter to go with that cable that can be used as a splitter to complement your PC if it has separate headphone and microphone ports. Now, your mic is attached permanently and the ear pads are actually removable. However, at this time, Astro doesn't offer any mod kits for the A10s like you get with the A40s and A50s. This new model is a wired analog headset, so if you're looking for something on a budget that works with everything, this might be a good fit for yourself or even as a gift for someone. However, at the same time, since this works with everything, it will lack simulated surround sound technology, even though something like that is built in present consoles like the PS5. Now, when it comes to audio such as listening to music, the A10s offer a solid experience for the money. Its bass hits nicely and surprisingly doesn't distort that sound even with the volume cranked up to the max. Its bass won't rattle your brain, but I'd say it's as solid as you'd expect for $60. Mids, highs, and lows sound balanced across the board, and the bass punches nicely in the background to give you guys that solid Astro experience we've all grown to love over the years. For colors, you have a ton of options. As you see, I went with the white for my testing to switch things up, but you can snag these in black, mint, lilac, and gray as well, so nothing short of being able to fit nicely in pretty much any setup out there. Now, if you decide to use a sound card or surround sound software based system such as DTX or THX Spatial Audio, that listening experience only gets better. Playing Warzone or Fortnite, footsteps and directional audio sounded much better and more accurate, helping you pinpoint the direction of footsteps and gunfights a lot easier. The simulated surround sound offered from the PS5 through the DualSense controller sounds just as good and comes through crisp and clear with similar directional panning through these systems' 3D audio. So for now, you're probably wondering, well, how does that microphone quality sound? Well, let's take it up to the game room. We're going to stack it up against some of my other favorite gaming headsets that are currently out in the market, while also seeing how much background noise and keyboard clicks it actually picks up. Now, while we're here, let's also cover sound isolation and noise bleeding. Now, I don't expect much at this price point, but I would like to mention that as long as you're above half volume, you should be fine. You won't hear too much stuff going on around you. But at the same time, I have a massive head, and these ear cups are a little bit smaller than I expected, so you will experience some noise bleeding, which would lead to others being able to listen in on what game you're playing and what music you're listening to. Now, that might not even be an issue for some of you guys out there, but I thought I should mention it. At the same time, some of you guys are probably wondering about ear sweat, and to be quite honest, in my longer gaming sessions, I really didn't experience that much ear sweat thanks to the breathable memory foam ear cups you get with this headset. Now, you guys know the drill, soundproof game room. Currently, I'm talking to you guys on the Shure MV7. Let's go ahead and switch over to the microphone on the Astro A10 Gen 2s so you guys can see what it sounds like in comparison. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Astro A10 Gen 2s. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and only if you end up liking this video, please make sure you smash that like button for me. Now let's go ahead and stack up the microphone quality on this headset versus the HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless, the Odyssey Penrose, the HS80 from Corsair, Corsair Virtuoso, and the Odyssey Penrose. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Astro A10 Gen 2s. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Odyssey Penrose gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair HS80 wireless gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Odyssey Mobius gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Astro A10 Gen 2s. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Odyssey Penrose gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair HS80 wireless gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Odyssey Mobius gaming headset. Now, obviously, these headsets are a lot more expensive than the Astro A10 Gen 2s, and I feel like those sound pretty decent. But overall, if you had one headset to choose, which one would you pick? For me, it's always been the Odyssey Mobius. I feel like this, over the past year or so, has taken over the crown from the Corsair Virtuoso for me, even though this is, I feel like, an older headset. But I absolutely love the microphone on this headset. It sounds the most natural. And if you're looking for an all-in-one gaming headset for everything, I feel like the Mobius would be it if you don't mind the wire here. But overall, I feel like the Astro A10 Gen 2s, for the price, is also probably the best microphone I've ever heard on a gaming headset. But let me know down below in the comment section which one of these you guys think sounds the best. Now, another test I like doing for you guys up here in the game room is to see how much keyboard clicking the microphones on these headsets pick up. So we're about 1.5 feet away from the keyboard here. It actually doesn't seem to be picking up any keyboard clicks, which is decent. Similar to the Black Shark models, the Razer Barracuda X. It picks up a little bit when I start talking, obviously, because that's when my noise gate opens up. So yeah, whether you plan on using this headset for gaming, streaming, recording, talking to your friends in Discord, party chat, game chat, whatever it is, that's what the microphone quality sounds like, and that's how much keyboard clicking it actually picks up. Not many headsets can compare at this price point. If you want something that has a nice, sleek, minimal form factor that you can use and plug in with pretty much everything, then it's a solid choice. However, even though the sound quality is decent, if you are someone who needs built-in surround that gives you that full immersive experience, this might not be the best option for you. Now, I do feel like you'll be a lot happier if you spend just a little bit more and get to that $100 price point where you could pick up the HyperX Cloud Core Wireless, the Razer Barracuda X, and even the Razer Black Shark V2, all in which I reviewed for you guys, and we'll have a link down below for you where you can also let me know what you think of the new Astro A10 Gen 2s, and where you'll also find links to everything that we covered in today's episode. If you want to see more, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Detroit Fury, and if you enjoyed this content, please make sure you smash that like button for me, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next episode. Peace.